It's hard sometimes, but what helps is a focus on self-respect. And it's a first step to changing the way you treat yourself. And it's important to have a daily exercise to develop your self-respect. And if you want to, send me an email to info@docchristin.com or info@sparklesisters.org, sparklesisters.org, or reply to any of my emails. And I'll send you a free PDF of my newest book. It's on Amazon, My Daily Sparkle of Gratitude, which is a wonderful gratitude journal I made for you to help you to achieve your daily goal of thinking about how you can be grateful for what you have and who you are, and develop more self-respect and love yourself more. Because self-respect, if we respect ourselves, we make right decisions around our well-being. We want to go to the gym because we like to do that, because we feel good and it is good for us. We like to eat foods that agree with us, that we feel are good for us. And it allows you to take control in many situations in life, not in all of them, but we always have control over our thoughts. And one of my main influences in that was Viktor Frankl, who couldn't control the fact that he was thrown in concentration camps in Nazi Germany. But he realized, being the psychiatrist and great human being he was, he's dead by now, and he realized that in any situation, he could change his attitude towards things. He could change the way he thought about things and stop being the victim and make something positive out of it. And for him, that meant developing a whole new thought of psychotherapy called logotherapy. It's great. I love it. So we all can do something in that direction. Hopefully, our situation will never be as dire as being thrown into a concentration camp. So in any situation, there is a choice. And we have the choice to be miserable or victims, like you say, Maxine.
Yeah.
Or we have the choice to strive to be happy.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's what we are helping you to do, that choice.
Yes,
Me, the way out of depression and out of being the victim was a simple choice. And the choice that I did not want to live the life that I was finding myself in, that I wanted to do whatever it took to feel better. And that started to search for an answer. And there's many options. And that's something we do too. We show you options for wellness.